Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making a vocabulary tree. It's basically a tree, and here you make colorful leaves, and in those leaves you may write synonyms, word meanings, antonyms, sight words, magic words, and many other things related to English vocabulary. But here we are going to be making a vocabulary tree using synonyms. We'll start by making the tree. We'll make many branches because we have got at least 20 leaves. So that means we have got 10 synonyms. You can make two synonyms of the same color, so it is easier to identify that they are synonyms. After we are done with our tree, we'll make a spiral structure on its trunk. Next, we are going to outline our tree with permanent marker to give it a bright look. We'll try to outline on the pencil lines, but after doing, if you have any extra pencil lines, you can erase them. So it's no big deal if you outline outside the pencil. This is what it looks like after it is done. Here you saw two shades of browns, one light and one dark. We are going to use it to color our tree. We'll first color it with our light brown color. Here we are using brush pens. You can use color pencils. You can use markers, you can use oil pastels, you can use paints, you can use watercolors, you can use plastic crayons, you can use whichever medium you are comfortable with. But make sure you should have a light brown and a dark brown. After coloring with the light brown, we are making some patterns with our dark brown. So first you can see we have outlined our spiral structure with our dark brown color. Next we are going to make some line patterns on the trunk and the branches, the dark brown color. Next we are going to be making bushes like our hands. The only difference, here you can make 4 fingers type of 5 fingers, 6 fingers, 7 fingers. You don't need to have the accurate size. Only a bush shape, long bushes with a dark green brush pen. Next we are going to color it light green. Okay, but here if you want you can first draw with pencil and then outline it and then color and shade with both the colors. It's totally your choice. But I have made it directly with dark green, and this is what it looks like. Now this which you just saw is going to be our arrangement. We are going to be writing synonyms: large, big, angry, mad. Next we are going to paste the leaves. Here I have made a big tree with many branches because I had many leaves. You can make the number of branches and the size of the tree according to the number of your leaves or how big or small they are. You can make colorful leaves, you can make green leaves, you can make whichever one you like. We'll only apply glue on the boundaries so that we don't waste glue. Here you can see all the synonyms I have used. I've made all synonyms with different colors: orange, red, green, yellow, blue, pink, and this is our final look. I'm just going to write synonyms in calligraphy. You can also watch our video of writing sunflower in calligraphy. You have to make the letter and then you have to make one side or two sides a little thick. As you can see here, don't make it too thick, don't make it too thin. Make it so that it does not look congested and looks beautiful. So here I'm writing the heading Synonyms Tree. Next, we are going to color in these thick spaces, and next we are going to make a cloud around it. You may not make the cloud if you don't like, but it looked stylish, so I am making it. And this is our final look. Thanks for watching and bye.